Hey guys! Welcome back to another Adobo Tech Unboxing at andito na nga siya. Isa ito sa pinaka-latest na mid-range device ng Realme. Ito ang Realme 7. Okay, so in this video, we'll do the unboxing and first impression of this latest mid-range smartphone from Realme. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Just click on the subscribe button down below of this video and visit our blog site, which is www.adobotech.net. O sige, unbox na natin siya. Okay, so just like any Realme packaging, so it comes in a bright yellow color, syempre. Yung model ng device, you have yung 7 and yung company branding. So, ganun din siya doon sa side. And sa likod naman, syempre, you have yung summary ng technical specs ng Realme 7. So, meron siyang Sony 64 megapixel quad camera. It's powered by Helio G95 gaming processor. Meron din siyang 30 watt dart charge at 5,000 mAh battery. Siyempre sa screen, nakalagay rito, 90 Hz Ultra Smooth Display. Check na natin yung laman sa loob. Okay, so first, you have the special note, siyempre. Welcome to Realme family. So first, nandito yung ejector pin. And you have another note there. Let's embrace a new journey. You have yung protective case. That looks nice. Okay naman siya. Mukhang maganda naman. Siyempre, hindi mawawala. Quick guide at important information guide. Next is siyempre, andito na yung Realme 7. Let's check kung ano pa yung laman ng box. Next, syempre, merong USB Type-C cable. And syempre, yung 30 watt charger ng Realme. Okay, so, that's it. Wala na siyang kasama. Okay, so there you go. That's the whole package ng Realme 7. Well, I guess it's time to open the Realme 7. So itong Realme 7 comes in two colors. Itong hawak ko ngayon, which is Mist Blue at yung Mist White color. Okay, so let's talk about yung design ng Realme 7. So at the back, you have yung gradient color design. Tulad ng Realme 7 Pro. So pareho sila ng design sa likod. And as you can see, reflective din yung likod niya. Buti na lang, it's a matte surface. Also, may kasama na rin siyang protective case. Which is nice kasi di mo na kailangan gumastos pa para maprotektahan yung likod against scratches. Looks really nice. So, ang ganda ng design. So, kung makikita nyo, nagre-reflect yung light, which is really nice. Itong Realme 7 Pro ay merong quad camera setup. Meron siyang 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 at meron din siyang 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a macro lens, and a monochrome lens. So itong camera na to, it's capable of 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. So siyempre dun sa baba, no, andun yung Realme branding. Okay, so now going to the bottom nung you have yung usual port, syempre. 3.5 audio jack. You have the microphone, a Type-C, and the speaker or the loudspeaker. Okay, so at the right side naman, you have yung power button here. And it also doubles as the fingerprint sensor, which is, I like yung implementation na to. It's really nice and efficient kasi mas mabilis siyang gamitin. Okay, so at the left side, andito yung volume rocker at yung SIM slot na titingnan natin. Just like any Realme smartphone, it comes with triple slot. So pwede ka maglagay ng dalawang nano-SIM and extra storage, which is a microSD card. Okay, so up front, itong Realme 7 meron siyang 6.5-inch Full HD IPS display with 90 Hz refresh rate. And meron siyang 90.5 screen to body ratio. Doon sa top leftmost corner, doon nakalagay yung punch hole, 16 megapixel wide angle selfie camera. Sa bezel, okay naman yung screen. Kung makikita nyo, medyo minimal lang naman yung bezel at the top and at the side. Doon sa chin, okay na rin. So, hindi naman siya ganoon kapal. Itong Realme 7, meron na rin pala siyang nakalagay or pre-installed na screen protector. Again, that's another nice added feature. So, hindi mo na kailangan maglagay pa ng extra layer of protection. And besides, itong screen ng Realme 7 is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Pero yung touch na meron na siyang screen protector is added value. Okay, on the side note, itong Realme 7, it passed TÜV Rheinland Smartphone Reliability Verification. Okay, so overall, maganda siyang hawakan. In terms of design, I like yung matte surface niya sa likod para hindi madaling magkaroon ng smudges. Okay, so let's talk about technical specs. Itong Realme 7, it's the first smartphone to be powered by MediaTek Helio G95 gaming processor. So it's not a major upgrade if you're coming from the Realme 6, but itong Realme G95, meron siyang dalawang 2 Cortex A76 cores, clock up to 2.06 GHz. At meron din siyang 6 A55 cores and its graphics performance is provided by an ARM Mali G75 MC4, which give a gaming boost performance. And it also comes with an 8 GB of RAM and 128 internal storage. Itong Realme 7 also comes with 5,000 milliampere battery and it also supports syempre fast charging using the 30-watt Super Dart charger. In terms of wireless connectivity, itong Realme 7, it supports 4G LTE on the dual nano-SIM. You have yung 802.11n dual band Wi-Fi. You also have a Bluetooth 5.1 and a GPS for location-based connection. Out of the box, itong Realme 7, it runs on Realme UI version 1.0 based on Android 10. Okay, so now I will test the gaming capability nitong Realme 7. I did run na yung Antutu benchmark. It scored 276,031. Not bad for a mid-range device. Okay, so first try natin yung gaming performance sa Call of Duty. Inside. Hitting back. overall design, I really like it. Maganda yung build quality niya. Yung matte finish at yung design sa likod, maganda siya. And good thing, may kasama siyang protective case. So, hindi may scratch itong magandang design sa likod. Siyempre, quad camera with 64 megapixel sensor. That's surely can take amazing pictures. Yung Realme UI, it's nice, it's clean, it's simple, and responsive. In terms of performance, itong Realme 7, powered by MediaTek Helio G95. It's definitely a mobile gaming processor. So itong Call of Duty Mobile with high graphics settings, it runs smoothly. Very nice gameplay. In terms naman dun sa display, sure, it's not an AMOLED display. Pero itong Realme 7, meron siyang 90 Hz refresh rate, which is pag na-activate mo, yung pag-scroll ng screen, it's smoother. So, ibig sabihin, mas responsive siya at mas maganda yung display. So, it's a great device for consuming multimedia. Kung mahilig ka manood ng Netflix or YouTube, no doubt na itong Realme 7 is it's a good upgrade if you're looking for a great mid-range smartphone. Itong Realme 7 could be your next device. Okay, so that's it. This is the new Realme 7 smartphone. Again, this is Bam of Adobo Tech, and thank you for watching. Now back to work.